everyone, it's me Priyal. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are having Rose and she'll be teaching you all App Lab as you all know. So today she'll be going to teach you all how to create a login screen in Coda2 ID. So now Rose, you can continue.
So hello everyone, so I'm Rose. Today we are going to see how to make login, like a login system in Collabs. So first I'm going to share my screen and show you the project. Okay, and also I'll show you how to open code.org application. Okay, so this is going to be the project. I have written my name over here. You can write it. Rose's login system, user login, and then there's username and password and all. So suppose for this app, my username is Rose. Okay. And the password for this app is Rose1 for look, this is not my real password, this is just for this app I've created. And I click on login, so it works and it says welcome. But what if I put wrong password? Wrong username or wrong password. So I'll put a wrong username and I'll put a right password. So look, it says like this, and I can click on wrong and like this. I can erase and change it, and like this it will work. Okay, like this it will work. And now I'll show you how to open. So just open Google and then go to Google. If you use Code.org daily, then it will be over here. Then okay, so go to Google and then type Code.org, and then takes loading a bit. Yeah, click on this link
Rose, you aren't audible. Okay, so just wait a minute. She's coming back.
Um, inconvenience my Wi-Fi problem. It's okay now. So yeah, so I already showed you how what a project is going to be looking like. So I'm going to show you how to open. Okay, yeah. So new tab, and if you use Code.org daily, then it will be over here, or else go to Google and Code.org and then click on this link. Yeah. After clicking on it, don't forget to sign in. If you don't sign in, your project may not. That's it. So yeah, sign in and then click on create and then app lab. So this is how app lab opens. And now 1 minute, I'm sharing my screen again, but in a smaller window. Okay, so once it opens, just look like this. So as I said before, also in app lab, there are steps. Like first, you design your app, then you code it, then you run it. But I want you all to include renaming your app. So first in rename your app, then design it, then code it, then run and see if it's working. So let's rename it. So we are going to rename it as login system. Uh, okay, so after renaming your project, you can rename your project from here above. Now click on design because we need to design our project first. So now, as you can see, as I showed when I showed you the project, you can see that there was some green color background. Okay, so first I'll go to design and then 1 minute I'll just provide you all with background color. Just a minute. Yeah, look, this is your first screen. Just click on the screen and here erase this and then just write the RGB. Uh, I'll give the RGB in the left. Can you give the RGB in the left that I've given you in the private? You guys can just copy paste it. Or else you can write also like 85 and 173 and 145. Okay? I don't know if Priyal has given it or not. Okay, so this is the RGB as you can see on the screen. Now there was also a thing named user login. Okay, so I took that from Google. I'll show you. Priyal, Priyal, can you add my screen and also read the private chat? Yeah. So as I was saying, where is it? Yeah. So we need this background. Okay. So I actually got this background from Google. I just type user login and images. And from here, there are so many images. You can choose whatever you like you can even take this one. There's no problem. Take your time for choosing it. Okay, so for example, okay, so I'll take this because I like this one, but I don't want this big. I only want this much part. So for that, I'm going to use my snip and cut thing. Yeah, and just a minute. 1 minute. Let me open the server and I'll send it on the server. Mm. Join a Discord server. Okay, in the code.org projects you'll find the picture. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen once again. Yeah, Priyal, add my screen. Yeah, thank you. Just okay, just click on the picture and then copy image address, or else you can save image and then upload it. But if I don't want to save, I'll just copy the image address. Then I'll open my login system and I'll click over here. I'll take an image, okay, and make it bigger like this. Okay, you can even cover full screen with it if you want, and then I'll go over here and paste it. You can see now it's not filling whole area, so I'll just go to fit image and fill. It will fill it. Okay, if I want it to be maybe from here to I'll just make it full screen because I think I like full screen better. Okay, you can choose from here fill or cover. So yeah, I'll choose cover. Cover looks better. But now here inside this, I can't type because those are not the text box. So first we need text input. So we'll just drop text input over here. Okay, and I'll make it like this. And I'll set its okay. So I'll set its size. All right, and also I'll take one more text input and I'll put it over here and also manage its size however I want to be. Okay, let me make it a bit smaller. Yeah, I like this one. You can take your time and cover it. And now, as you can see over here, where is the project here? Here inside this, it's written username. Okay, so what you can do, click over here and placeholder. You can write that username. And same for the password. In the placeholder, you can write password. Now, it's a really good habit to rename your along with the project. It's a really good habit to rename your things in your like whatever we are using. So instead of text input one, I'm going to write username input, because here people are going to input the username, and I'll do the same for the password input. Okay, sorry, my cats is on it. Okay, and this remember me and forget password, I'll hide it. So for that, what I'll do is just simply take an asset screenshot, assessment screenshot, and I'll just paste it over here, and I'll just copy the image address. I'm trying to do it in a easier way, I'll show you. And then drop. Oh my, it's glitching. Yeah, drop an image over here and make it smaller, and then paste it. So it got hidden. So it was just a way I hide stuff. And you can do the same for this side too, but okay, I want a different color. I'm also providing this on the Discord, so in case you took the same one and you need to hide it too. So yeah, copy the image address, copy image address, and then I'm going to take an image over here, make it down and here. So this works actually. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. It looks really good. Yeah, and now I can enter stuff inside here. And now we need a login button, as you can see over here. But so now we need to put a button, take a button and place it over here. So I'll set the button size to this big. And also I want the button to be a bit curvy. So here, border radius. Yeah, I guess 13 is good. Okay, and I'll take it like this. Now the button color, I don't like this color. I want something W or something. So I'll go over here and choose this background color, and no, not this. Something lighter, like what I'm. Yeah, so here you can select the transparency of your button. So I made it transparency to 0 because I wanted the button to be exactly this color. So I just took my button over here and I'll remove the text from it. You can see now there's a button over here, and also we can see the text. It's really good. You can do the I guess you can actually do the same for the username. I'll show you background color and whatever it is. Just choose this. So if you see, it can, but yeah, the it says email ID. I want there to be user ID, so therefore I'm not keeping the background color as transparent. But you can do it for password if you want. I'll show you, and I'll remove the text. See, this works. Uh, yes, Priyal, I'm talking now. So this looks good like this. I can change this background color. Like I want something darker blue. Yeah, I got the perfect color. Really good now. So now it looks really good, and I think it looks perfect to me. So now screen one is done. Now as you can see over here, if I write the proper password and the username, so it says something like this: welcome user to this magical world. Okay, so what I'll do is make another screen, new screen, and screen boom. And then first you can see the color. So first I need the colors. So what did I open? So first I need the color. Just a minute. Uh, can you add my screen again, clear?
Yeah, give me a minute.
Yeah. So just a minute. I'm getting the screen color, the background color of the screen. Yeah. So it's RGB is 210, 130, and again 130. I'll show you. So you can see the RGB on the screen. It's here actually in red. Okay. You can choose any color you want. Yeah. So shall I give this RGB to you? Okay, you will get it in the live chat.
Yeah, I
Priyal,
will.
yeah, thank you. Now, also you can also I showed you there was a cat saying welcome, right? So first we need that. It was actually a GIF, a GIF. Okay, so that also I'll give you on Discord. Just click on the GIF and then right click and copy image address. Also, you can save it if you want. But I'll just go with copy image address, then I'll bring an image over here and put it over here and make it bigger and paste the, yeah, see, I've got it. It looks really cute. I really love this. And now also there was some text saying welcome user to this magical world. I wrote magical world because you know it's just a line. I like magical world. Therefore, yeah, you can just write anything like if you want welcome user to, like if my name is Rose, so I can write welcome user to Rose World or anything. So first we are going to take where is it? Oh yeah, sorry. We are going to take a label and we are going to increase its size because of course, you know. And then I'm going to write inside it welcome user to the whatever you want to write, like welcome user to the Wonderland, Magical Land, anything. Okay, that's not going to be a problem. Now I'm going to change the size by going down. Yeah, so I like the size. If you want, you can change the text color, but over here you can see. Okay, so I'll just change the text color, I guess. Something related to the color would look good. Actually, this looks good, but let me try this too. Yeah, this one looks good. Okay, so take your time and choose whatever color you want, and this looks really cute. Okay, so yeah, I'll move on. And now we are going to code because we're done with designing. So first thing is, yeah, where is it? Yeah. So on event, I'll go to screen one. What is the name of this button? The name of this button is button one. So on event button one, click. What will happen? I'll show you. First do what I'm doing, then after doing I'm going to show why I did that. Okay, so go and bring the if else block, and inside it we need the username to be okay, get text, this thing, what is this, username input, right? So get text username input. Okay, before doing that actually we need to add a equals to block on, and on one side put quotation mark like the commas. Now to not make any mistake, I'm going to click on this and copy it. Username input, I'll just copy this and put it over here. You have to copy the ID. Okay, so if get text from username input equals to, look, so how was it the app I made, the system I made? If I write over here Rose, okay, if I write Rose, okay, the color is invisible. So first let's change the color. text color. I'll go with something like that. Yeah. So, for example, if I write rose, so it and if I write here anything like rose 1414. Yeah, the 1 minute. Let me clear the mistake over here. Background color blue, dark something. Okay, I could have just copy pasted well. And inside this, I'm going to write placeholder password. Right. Okay, I'll make it full. And after writing that, I'm going to set its color, text color to something lighter is what I prefer. Yeah. So the system I made, if I write rows over here, and if I write rows 1414 over here, and then I click on login button, it works, right? Or else it wouldn't work. Yes. So I need to write over here username input equals to what I want rows. So I'll just write rows. Like will say rows isn't declared. I forgot. Put quotation mark, write rows, and again the comma. Alright. Now we had this, and inside this, I'm going to use one more if block. Okay. And set screen where if the screen go down and you can find the set screen option. Oh, I forgot. Yeah. Let me throw this block. Yeah. So first we need get text. I'll show you. Get text. Then a max block and again equals to quotation mark. And this time I'm going to write password. Okay, no, it was all caps. Password info. Yeah, its name is correct. The password info is this name. Okay, and if the password is Rosie141. Okay, Rose1414. Yeah. The password is Rose1414. UI control set screen 2. Okay. And if you want there to be any sound, okay, 1 minute, I'll show the project once again. My code.org was muted, therefore you cannot hear. I also added a voice. 1 minute, let me share my screen again. Uh, Priyal, can you add my screen again? Yeah, so I'll just reload this and show you once more. Okay, so if I put the username, and then if I put the password and I log in. Welcome user of this magical world. Okay, so don't mind the voice. I know it's cringy, but so there's some voice saying welcome user. This time I'm going to download from Google because I don't want to add my cringy voice. Okay, instead of downloading through Google, we can do one thing. Oh, where am I? Yeah, this is the app, right? I'll show you. I wanted to say welcome, right? So I'm going to go down and use the play speech. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so I'm so sorry. Play speech. I wanted to say welcome, dear. Okay, so I wanted to say welcome, dear. And a female would be saying it in English. If you want other language, you can change it from here. If you want a man to say, you can change it from here. So it looks really good. So let me show you. If password is Rose, and I write the code as Rose1414, you click on login. Oh yeah, let me do one thing. Rose, Rose 1414, and I click on login. Oh, okay. First, we need to complete the full app, then it shall work. Okay, yeah. So now I'm go. Where is it? Where is the share screen option? Just a minute. Yeah. Yeah. So first we'll complete the app, then it's gonna work. Okay. So what was it? But on events, first I'll explain this. Like first I'll explain what I did is on event button one is clicked. Okay. So as they click the login button, and if the username is Rose and the password info is Rose1414, then other screen shall come and it shall say welcome dear. Okay, but now what if they enter some wrong email ID? Sorry, wrong username or wrong password. So what happens? Priyal, can you add my screen? Priyal, hello. Yeah. So I actually explained, but I'll explain again because my screen wasn't shared. So what I did is on event, like as soon as they click button one, okay, this is button one. So once they click the button one, if the username is Rose and password is Rose1414, the second screen would come and it will say welcome dear. But what if the user name isn't Rose? I mean, they put some wrong password. Okay, they put some wrong password or wrong username. What shall happen? So if they put something wrong, it shall say the username or the password is wrong, right? So first for that we need to go to design and we are going to use a label. Inside it we are going to write the username or the password is wrong. Okay. And I'm just going to remember mistake, I guess. Yeah, I know I missed it. Mm, and I'll change its color to red, text color to red. And then I also want a button over there. Okay, I'll take a button and I'll make it very small. And I erase the text inside it and I'll make it radius like yeah, very way too much for radius like I just 200, yeah. It doesn't, and then I'm going to take the button above and background color I'll set to okay. So I set the text color. No, I wanted the background color. Buttons background color. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, and on it there shall be an image. Click on choose, then icons. Yeah, X times. Okay, let's cross and select it, and now we have a button too. But now, as soon as I run, it's still visible. No, I don't want it to be visible when I run. It shall only be visible when the user does some mistakes. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, uh, where is it? Just a minute. Yeah. So over here, I'm going to add hide element. Okay. Yeah. Hide element or after on event. I'll add two hide elements, and in one I will put this button. Okay, what is it? Button do, and in one I put this thing mistake. Okay, what is it? Yeah, here it is. So as soon as we run, It shall hide. Okay, so if it's not hiding, I'm going to do other idea because sometimes it glitches. So I have one more idea. Click over here and then go down and keep it hidden. Same for this one too. Go down and keep it hidden. Okay, now when I run, it's hidden. Okay, now let's code out that when we use something else so it should be seen. So click over here in the plus button and you get an else option. Okay, else. Yeah, I don't want to actually. Yeah. Else, yeah, else show element. Okay, take this show element and I'm going to take two show element and in one it will be button two and in one it will be mistake. Okay, now see. If I enter rows rows 1414, did I do some mistake? False is not a string. Oh yes, we are still not done with the code. Yeah. So where was I? Yeah. So I'll also to make the app better, I'm going to add a play sound block. Okay. Play sound and choose and alerts. Yeah, I'll choose this one. Okay. Choose and yeah, so I entered the wrong password. It said it made a voice. Okay. Now when I clicking this, it's not going. So for that, go here on event button to click. Uh, where is it? Hide element. Take two hide element block and in one I'm going to put button two and in one I'm going to put mistake. Okay. So it works. Yeah, let me show. I write something random or I write anything except for rows or rows 1.4, it will show through an error and it will go when I write this and it will work. Okay. When I click on this, it will take us to the other screen. Welcome user. So the app works. This always throws some error, but actually it works. Okay. My apologist. Okay. So that was it for today. So I hope you understood how to make the login system, and I hope you all will make it. And after you're done, you can send it on our Discord server, or you can, and yeah, if you haven't got it, you can ping me on Discord server anytime. My name is Rose. On Discord, you can find me by name Rose. And also, I need to say that you can send your project on Discord. So join our Discord server. You will get the Discord server link in the description. So that's it for today. So how was this session?
Okay, so this is all for today. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.
Hi everyone.